have the chairman of AAUI with me. It is good to be in this excellent conference, and wanted to get your opinion on a few questions. Uh, how do you think is the growth of the insurance sector going to be both in general and in life in the next 3 years? Do you envision supersonic growth, or do you think it's going to stabilize?
Okay, thank you first about your question. I think, especially in the general insurance, we quite optimistic to have a growth two digit, yeah, I think 15 up to 20% a year. Because as you know that Indonesia has a big population, 270 million people, which is 170 million people productive. So I believe in a couple of years, next couple of years, I mean, it will be a lot of things to do to grow the literation and inclusion, I think. And we still have a prospect, as I mentioned in the opening speech. Also, Indonesia have a lot of opportunity for the general insurance, which is now not yet touched by the industry.
Great. Thank you. That is really heartening to know that the industry is going to be growing.
Yes. Yeah.
My next question is on the technology front, where do you think Indonesian insurance technology is, and can it take some help from technology companies like us, and can we help the local insurance houses on their platform?
I think we cannot skip the technology, especially the digital, because from our perspective, like the underwriting process, claim process, and also marketing process, I think 2 or 3 years from now, it will be very common the insurance and what we call the client, the people, it will be using the technology of the digital like AI, which is more simple and more faster. But the question how we can implement this AI system digitalization, we need some source also, which is the cost should be a mass product so we can grab to the insurance industry.
Right. No, absolutely. I think it has to be, the cost is a key factor, in my opinion,
Exactly.
that insurance companies are very hesitant. What's your opinion? Is it true that Indonesian insurance companies would like a local shop to be able to supply technology solutions, or do companies like ours from India can manage that remotely? What's your opinion on
We
that?
are very open. We are very even in our local a lot of what we call, a lot of the supplier on the technology already proposed, but in terms how we can implement it, it's back to the insurance company because it is very competitive and very worldwide. I mean, we need also some competitive competitor. I mean, from the overseas. It is open opportunity for you to doing the business to Indonesia.
Right. And as the nodal agency, what would you recommend for companies like us that want to come to Indonesia? What are the right noises that we should be making to attract members of your organization?
I think the best way collaborate with the association, the General Insurance Association of Indonesia. So we'll invite our member to make like a small introduction, like let's say like making a small workshop to open mindset of the member. How can we work this program, this digital, this AI?
Perfect. Thank you so much for your
You're
time.
most welcome.
Thank you, and we enjoyed the show here. I think it was really well done.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
I will reach out to you to get in touch with you
Will do.
on how we can be part of this journey.
Yeah. Thank
Thank
you
you,
also
sir.
for visiting the Indonesian 28.
Thank you. Our regards. Thank you.
AccelTree. Be the change.